Springs today. Hello. We are at the Rainforest Cafe, Emmett's favorite spot at Disney Springs. And we're gonna go inside. We're gonna probably pick out a toy first for him, and then we have reservations to eat as well. So come join us. It's making noises. Is it gonna fire? We saw it earlier. If you don't know, this volcano does blow fire. That crocodile's making all the noise. That's what's rumbling. All right. We gotta scope out what's new. Emmett is an animal lover, so every time we come to Disney Springs, he gets some sort of animal. Last time he didn't want any plushies, which was usually a plushie. But they also have figurines. They have his name. They have Emma. They don't have Emmett. Let's see, he found the figurines. Okay, we can hold on to it. You want that one? You like that one? Okay, you want to keep looking? Hold it, okay? See, he hasn't decided. Show him these over here.
Right here, look at me. Right here. What you see?
The lizards.
Oh, look at that. Lizards.
No? Okay. Oh, look at that shark. That's a new one. What you looking for?
Oh, look at that. Black jaguar. It's a black jaguar.
You want it? No? He knows to put one. No, you gotta hold Mommy's abuela's hand. He knows to put one down. He can only get one thing. Oh. Yeah, we got one of those last time. No, I think he's looking at the big ones.
Oh, okay.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. You see the giraffe? Oh, you want that one? See, he puts the other one back. That's a nice one.
It's a big one.
Is that good? Now he's thinking about it. He's like, Mommy, we gotta really outweigh. That one comes with 6. This one's just 1. You wanna keep looking? You can hold it.
Oh.
That looks like a mammoth. But it's not as hairy. You found something else.
Gotta wait for Mommy to buy it.
You want that one?
Which one you want? You want the giraffe or you want the bucket? The bucket?
You want the bucket? Okay.
Hold the handle.
How much is it? Do we...
Wait a minute.
This no budget is
No tag either. Oh, no tag.
no tag. You ready? He's excited. Look at that fish. Oh, sorry. No way. We're going inside. We got some gorillas. Oh, right here. We got the gorillas. I'll walk around because I'm gonna walk around with Emmett and show you guys the whole thing. Oh, someone's birthday. Okay, future Stephanie's gonna show you the Landry's Select Club. I did sign up for this and I'll let you know more about it. Okay, the Landry Select Club is a dine to earn reward. So basically, it is free. You do have to put $25 in the card to activate it, but you get those $25 back when you go to one of their dining locations, and there's a ton. Okay, so at Disney Springs, you can use it at the Rainforest Cafe and at T-Rex. And then on Violin, there is a seafood restaurant, Landry Seafood. And there is Bubba Gump over at City Walk. And even if you're staying at one of these hotels, you can get points with them. So there's no losing here. So I definitely signed up, put my $25 on the card, and you show it immediately. They take down that account number and they give you the points for what you paid for, and they'll use the reward. So I used my $25 right away. You could always save it, but yeah, I think it's a win-win. Plus, the benefit of it is that we could not get a T-Rex reservation ahead of time, but when you're a Landry Club member, you don't need one. You go up, you show them your card, and they make sure you get seated. You might have a little bit of a wait. I think we waited around 10 minutes for a T-Rex. But they definitely, because you're a Select Club member, a Landry Select Club member, you get in right away. So I'm actually really excited to try to use it at the Yak and Yeti at Animal Kingdom, because that's also a Landry's restaurant. And you can never, I always try. Anytime I'm going to Animal Kingdom, I check, never able to find a reservation. So I'm excited that maybe stay tuned for a video that we might be able to get into Yak and Yeti. So Emmett doesn't really eat any of this, so we bring him a peanut butter sandwich and his milk. He's really here for the ambiance. Are you excited? What do you see? What's that over there? What was that? Elephant, yeah. Oh my goodness.
You got a good view. Look at that.
The elephants are right over here. So he's got a good view. Wow. Oh, the gorillas are moving. Look at it, the gorilla moving. Oh, look, it's swinging.
Elephant right behind mommy too. Look at that big one. Well, hello there.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I figured, why should Emmett only have all the fun? You know, a little watermelon margarita. We're gonna share it. Oh, that's good. And it's pretty big. I was expecting like a smaller cup. And I think it's always a good idea, right, Mom, to get the toy first so he can be entertained. He already ate his 2 peanut butter bread sandwiches. We brought him milk from home in his cup, and now we can eat and he can play. We have so many of these. The day that he stops liking them is gonna be a sad day.
It's a good bucket. It brings 20 animals
20 animals, that is a good bucket. For $18?
with trees and fence.
And it's nice that it has the babies because he'll play with them as babies. He'll say like, that's the mama elephant, that's the baby. And then he like relines them up. Didn't know Emmett is autistic, so he loves his like fixation right now is animals, and it has been for a while. So he loves learning about them and seeing them. So that's why Rainforest Cafe is a must do, and why the Landry card is honestly the best thing to get when you have a loved one who loves the Rainforest Cafe and the T-Rex. He hasn't been to the T-Rex in a while, so I think he'll be excited to see the dinosaurs. He's wearing a dinosaur shirt today. It's getting dark, and here's the Rainforest. All the animals come by. When he was younger, 2, 3, it was a little too loud and at first a little jarring. So if you have a little one, kind of hold them a little tighter. This is their first time. It's not too loud, it's not too bad, but they won't get surprised because it does get dark and start thundering. But it lasts maybe a minute, as you saw in the video. I recorded the whole thing, so it's not too bad. But he did good. He didn't even cover his ears. He's used to that. He's like, yep, can't be a rainforest without a thunderstorm. All right, we got the sampler. We're gonna try to go to the T-Rex restaurant, so we don't want like a full meal, something to share. And we might get something smaller over there, but this looks good.
No,
so
not on the cup.
Cheese curds, the California egg roll, chicken tenders, and chips for the spinach dip. We got gorilla. Without the dipping sauce. It's dumb. Kind of like salsa with the sauce. These are spicy, and I don't know if it's the sauce. Let me try again. Because I didn't feel any heat at first. This is sauce. It is spicy. For someone who doesn't really eat a lot of spice. Cheese curd. Nice and hot. Spinach dip. That's a good spinach dip. Cheesy, salty. And I went chicken tender with the sauce. It's a good tender. It's like real chicken, not like the mush chicken. Has a little heat to it. Might be the sauce, but it's not a bad heat. Yeah, it's definitely the sauce. That's okay. This looks like butter. Honey mustard. Heavy on the honey. What do you think?
Really good.
This is much better than it used to be. The last time I got this, I was not impressed. The quality is very good.
Cha-cha. Nice. That's Bamba.
Gorilla.
It is a gorilla. That's his name, Bamba.
Good job. Staying inside the lines. He wants some blue You see the lemurs? They're so big. And the chicken. You see the elephant. You see the elephants? Isn't that nice? Hey, look, up top, a monkey. Alright, now we're at T-Rex. Is right across the way. So over the lake there's Rainforest. And over here is the T-Rex. Alright, with the Landry's card we were able to get right and no reservation required. So that's a nice little feature. Hi baby. What do you see? Dinosaurs. He's an animal lover. Dinosaurs, extinct or not, he loves them. Huge octopus. The planet. Just right when you walk in, get that dinosaur. And then on this side is the ocean themed. And then it's dinosaurs on this side. And it's like the meteor hit, so they have their same thunder, but it's not thunderstorm, it's a meteor strike. We got a mammoth. Whoa. We got a booth. We're so far from each other. Mammoth is from the Ice Age. Journey of the Jurassic. What do you see? What's that? A mammoth, yeah. And what's that? A Tyrannosaurus Rex? So this is their menu. He moves. Alright, we got the meteor shower. we ordered the caprese flatbread on the appetizer menu.
It's pretty good. The bread is very crispy. But caprese flavors, you can't go wrong.
Okay, that was our time at T-Rex. So now we did Rainforest and T-Rex. Which one's your favorite?
Rainforest.
Rainforest? Okay. I think it's hard, but if I had to go with like the theming, I like T-Rex a little more.
Really?
It has more options. It has the sea life, it has the dinosaurs, and it has the mammoth, the Ice Age section. So it has a little bit more.
It's different, but the Rainforest, I like because it has all those animals that they look like they come to life.
Yeah, yeah.
They do have
They
the
do
fish
move,
tanks
yeah.
too.
They do have fish tanks, yeah.
So
I think you can't miss either way, right?
yeah,
And the food was good at both. The pizza was pretty good.
yeah,
The flatbread was good,
yeah. It was.
and it was crunchy. We wanted to eat like, because the sampler was very filling for two people. It was very filling, but their sampler looked a little bit better. Had some, I don't know, had a little better options. So definitely next time we come, we'll eat the sampler there to see if it is better than the Rainforest. But I like Rainforest because it's actually, you would think it's loud, but it's actually lower than T-Rex. This one we were definitely like, shouting across from each other.
It doesn't help that we sat far apart.
And we were in a big booth, yeah, so we had to be a little far. But, so it's a little bit more noisy in there than it is Rainforest. So if it's your first little one's time, maybe Rainforest is a good place to start. But I thought it was pretty cool. It's a little, I thought it was, I don't know if morbid is the right word, but that it's a meteor shower. And that's what kills them all. So it's a little kind of messed up, but at the same time, it's in themed. It's in theme. So it was. I chuckle when I think of it. Instead of a thunderstorm, it's a meteor shower. But they also have a Build-A-Bear in there where you build a dinosaur instead. So that's another option, and they do have other toys. There's a little boy walking around with a dinosaur, and I almost grabbed it off of him. So I was like, no, that's not yours. You have to wait. But yeah, that was our time here at Rainforest and at T-Rex in Disney Springs. My name is Stephanie.
I'm Mom.
And thank you for being a part of my world.